Since labor rights so evil and labor rights so wicked. Right now, me also go to labor rights shop to spend my money. Me done with that. No labor right can get me spend $1 at them shop, and none of them can beg me $1 when them see me. If me know say you labor right and you have a shop or you keep a party or a cake sale or whatsoever, no expect for me support. Because I not spend my PNP money over for no place. Me rather go spend it with the Chinese. Me rather go spend it with the Chinese, and me will spend it with my own PNP people. Them. But once in a labor right, you no expect me to spend for my money. No time with uno. My money and my money, I not spend it with no labor right. Me not spend it with no labor right. So me know it's for a labor right have shop, and me now go there go spend $1. Me no care who no is. I me no care how close you want. Anything when me want, me buy a Chinese place. Me now somewhat support no little community shop when me know see no labor right own it. Me will go buy when me want at the Chinese them shop. See? So if you know a labor right, I know you so see me come on no shop, and all labor right you see me come at them shop. I don't know, see me I come there again. A boy cat me, a boy cat, phone no shop. I mean I go nowhere in no labor right here I go spend $1. Nowhere in no labor right here. This is just a warning to uno. I mean I ask others to do the same too. Uno no support them in nothing. Yeah man, draw a line man. We have to draw a line. Draw a line. If your brother labor right and him run a shop, if you want to support him, no, me no in that. Call labor right too wicked. Me no have nothing to do with them. Me no want have nothing to do with them. Uno too wicked and evil. Me no spend $1 on no shop. And me no support you no nothing where uno do. So uno no bother send. And uno no bother invite me in a nothing where uno do. If a PNP uno invite me, me will walk the journey to come support them. But if a labor right, no, sorry.